T-Mobile app ID not linked or service unavailable errors usually show up when the app cannot properly connect your account profile to T-Mobile's backend system and often feels more complicated than it actually is. Many cases, the issue starts with a simple login mismatch. The app may be signed in with an email or T-Mobile ID that it is not fully linked to your active phone number or account profile. This can happen if you recently changed your password, switch device, or create a new login without fully completing account setup. A quick things to try is signing out of the app completely and signing as back and using your primary T-Mobile ID. Sometimes the session gets stuck and a fresh login forces the system to re-sign your account details properly. Service unavailable can also point to a temporary server-side issue. T-Mobile system occasionally experience outages or maintenance periods where certain features stop working inside the app. In those situations, the app may still open, but account features fail to load correctly. Your device connection can also play a role. If your phone is on unstable Wi-Fi, switching between networks, or using a weak mobile signal, the app may fail to retrieve account data. Trying a different network or restarting your connection can sometimes clear the issue. Another common cause is outdated app data. Over time, glitches information inside the app can conflict with newer account updates. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app can help reset that stored data so it signs you cleanly again. It's also possible that your T-Mobile ID is not fully linked at the account level. This can happen if there are multiple lines, recently transferred numbers, or account changes that have not fully propagated through our system yet. In those cases, the app may show linked errors until everything is fully updated. If nothing works, it's usually a sign that the issue is on the account side rather than your phone. At that point, T-Mobile support or an account manager can verify whether your ID, phone number, or and account permission are properly connected. Most of the time, these errors are temporary or related to silencing sign issue, and they clear up once the app refreshes your login or the backend system finishes updating your account.